Hey, Lisa. I've been thinking about our summer holidays, and I have an idea. How about we plan a trip to Thailand?
Thailand sounds amazing, John. I've always wanted to visit. What makes you suggest it?
Well, I've heard so many great things about Thailand, the stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and delicious food. I think it would be a perfect destination for us to unwind and have some adventure.
That sounds fantastic. I've seen pictures of the beautiful beaches and the clear blue waters. I can already imagine ourselves relaxing on the sandy shores.
Exactly. I think it would be a great opportunity for us to enjoy some quality time together and create unforgettable memories. Plus, Thailand offers a variety of activities like snorkeling, exploring temples, and trying out their famous street food.
Oh, I'd love to try the street food. And visiting temples would be a wonderful way to immerse ourselves in the local culture. How long do you think we should stay?
I was thinking about a 2-week trip. That way, we'll have enough time to explore different parts of the country, like Bangkok, Phuket, and Chiang Mai.
2 weeks sounds perfect. We can divide our time between the bustling city, the serene beaches, and the charming countryside. I'm already getting excited about it.
Me too. Now, let's talk about the logistics. We'll need to book our flights in advance to get the best deals. I can start looking into that while you research accommodations.
That sounds like a plan. I'll search for hotels and resorts that are conveniently located and have good reviews. We should also check if there are any specific attractions or activities we don't want to miss.
Absolutely. It would be great to have an itinerary with a good mix of relaxation, sightseeing, and adventurous experiences. We can even book a day tour to explore the nearby islands.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. And since it'll be summer, we should pack light, breathable clothing and plenty of sunscreen. Oh, and don't forget insect repellent.
Good point. We should also check if there are any visa requirements or vaccinations needed before traveling to Thailand. Safety and health precautions are essential.
Definitely. I'll make a list of all the necessary preparations and documents we'll need. We should also inform our friends and family about our travel plans, just in case.
That's a good idea. Safety should always be a priority. I'm really looking forward to this trip, Lisa. I think it will be an incredible adventure for both of us.
I couldn't agree more, John. It's going to be a dream come true. Let's start planning and make this Thailand trip the best summer holiday ever.
Absolutely, Lisa. Let's get started right away. I can't wait to explore the beauty of Thailand with you by my side.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.